Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 5 chapter number 6, that is fractions. So, let's continue. In today's video, we are going to discuss exercise 6a, that is given on your page number 81. So, let's start. Question number 1 says that multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 in each of these to get the equivalent fraction. That means what we have to do, हमें numerator को and denominator को दोनों को ही 3 से multiply करना है in order to get our equivalent fraction. Let's see how we are going to do. See, a part is 1 by 4, right? Numerator is 1, denominator is 4. दोनों को ही हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. That means 1 into 3 is equals to 3. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. So 3 by 12 is our required fraction. Similarly, B part. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. मल्टीप्लाई करना है 3 से हमें. So 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. So 9 by 15 is the required fraction. Let's see the next question. Next question is question number 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 4 in each of these to get a set of equivalent fractions. That means first हमें 2 से multiply करना है numerator denominator को, then 3 से, then 4 से, right? First one has been done for you. हमारे पास fraction क्या थी? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 में हम numerator denominator को 2 से multiply करा, देन हमने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करा एंड देन हमने 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करा, तो हमारे पास 3 इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शंस आ गई. सिमिलरली वी हैव इस बी पार्ट 1 by 4. 1 by 4 की हमने 3 इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शंस निकालनी है. लेट्स सी हम कैसे निकालेंगे. फर्स्ट 1 by 4 को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में हमारे पास इक्वलेंट फ्रैक्शन आ गई 2 by 8. देन हमने 1 by 4 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करा एंड वी गॉट इज 3 by 12 एंड 1 by 4 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करा, आंसर वी गॉट इज 4 by 16. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. Next is question number 3. Question number 3 says that divide by a common factor to get a equivalent fraction. See, we have discussed the concept of common factor in the chapter highest common factor also, right? So, first part is 6 by 24. 6 by 24 will have the highest common factor 6 and 24 as 6. So, what we are going to do? We are going to divide the numerator and denominator by 6. So, 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4. So 1 by 4 is the required fraction. Then is 14 by 49. So 14 by 49 highest common factor क्या आएगा 7. So we are going to divide both the numerator and denominator by 7 and we will get 2 by 7 as the equivalent fraction. Then next comes is question number 4. We have to fill in the empty boxes, right? Empty boxes को कैसे fill करेंगे? See, 2 by 5 is equals to blank by 15. That means 5 को हमने कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करा होगा जो हमारे पास 15 आया होगा? That is 3 से. So we are going to multiply numerator by 3 also and 3 2s are will 6. So 6 by 15 is the required fraction. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more part. Is 5 by 7 is equals to 10 by blank. सी 5 इंटू 2 करा होगा तो हमने 10 आया होगा हमारे पास. सो जब हमने न्यूमरेटर में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करा है तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर में भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो 7 2 times इज 14. सो 14 इज द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन ड्रॉप योर डाउट्स इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. Fifth question says that cross multiply to find whether the fractions are equivalent. Write E if they are and write NE if they are not. See, हमें अगर हम क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट्स हमने कॉन्सेप्ट करा था तो हम उस कॉन्सेप्ट को यूज़ करके देखेंगे. अगर हमारा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट इक्वल आता है देन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट E. अगर वो दोनों इक्वल नहीं आते हैं सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट NE, राइट. 4 by 5 8 by 10. Let's see how we are going to find the cross product. First is हम 4 and 10 को multiply करेंगे. 4 into 10 comes 40. Then 5 into 8 becomes 40. 40 and 40 are equal. That means The cross products are equal, therefore the fractions are equivalent. Therefore we are going to write E in the box. Let's see one more part. 6 by 9 upon 3 by 2. So let's see the cross product. 6 into 2 gives us 12 and 9 into 3 gives us 27. Since the cross products हमारी equal नहीं है, so fractions हमारी not equivalent है, and therefore we are going to write NE over here. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, just drop your doubts in the comment section below. And your home task is you have to do exercise 6A, question number 1 to 5 remaining parts in your notebooks. Till then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, and thank you so much.